Namaskara. Today, oats and ragi, a unique recipe which is excellent for weight loss. Very simple, amazing ingredients put together for you. I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder and director of Allergic Nutrition. ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Let's check out this amazingly healthy recipe. The ingredients list for you. I have taken 1 cup of ragi flour. To this, I'm adding in 2 cups of oats powder. All I did was I took the oats at home, dry fried it till it was light brown and aromatic, let it cool, blended it, and yes, your oats powder is ready. To this, I'm adding in half a grated cucumber. You can add whatever ingredients you like. Along with this, I'm adding in 1 carrot that is grated, finely chopped curry leaves. You can add any greens. I'm adding in dill leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves, and also a medium size onion. To this, I'm adding in a teaspoon of fennel powder, a little bit of garam masala, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. I'm not adding in any green chilies for this. Without adding water, I'm initially mixing up the entire ingredients and sprinkling just a few drops of water, and you have to continue mixing it. And the consistency what we would be looking out for is something like a chapati roll, or if you're used to doing ragi rotis, it is the same consistency. Now, I am taking in a banana leaf which has been kept over the flame for a couple of seconds so it's browned, adding very little oil to it, and I am just preparing my ragi oats roti on this banana leaf. Now, you can also use any parchment paper that is available at home and have the same consistency of a roti. I'm using just a teaspoon of oil, ensuring that the pan is of medium flame, and I am just inverting the roti on top of it. Leave it for a couple of minutes. You start getting a lovely aroma, and then you can just gently remove the banana leaf. Oh wow, just look at that. It is so cool. The indentation of the plantain leaf, the banana leaf is there, and I am just sprinkling a little bit of water and turning it. That's it. Your ragi oats recipe is ready. I had left it on the pan for almost 5 to 6 minutes, and I am having an accompaniment of desi ghee. Do check out this recipe and let me know how it turned out and what were the accompaniments that you used. Every week, we would be uploading such easy, healthy recipes, and in case you, your family circle, your friend circle are in need of dietary management right from the home, completely online, we are there for you. Reach out to Allergic Nutrition. We are just 1 WhatsApp message away and we will connect with you. Remember, one of the biggest gifts in this world is health. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.